So for Leah, a lot of these girls out there want that model off-duty hair. I didn't style my hair. I want cool texture. I don't want it to be curly. I don't want it to be wavy. So this is that end result. So let's see her hair before. So it had a very little texture, as you can see, but she really just wanted to have that cool girl hair, where it just looks like there's texture. So what we did is we built a lot of product into her hair, and that's really important for any girl who's trying to achieve this look. You're gonna need a lot of product, so hairspray is a good friend of yours. Coat your dry hair. She was surprised at how much I used, because you're like, you need that much? So you wanna really coat your hair, brush your hair, coat your hair, brush your hair, coat your hair, brush your hair, and then it starts to get this kind of texture, but it's still soft.
Yeah.
Still feels soft, but it feels thicker.
But it feels thick.
It feels thick. So now when I do that, so then what you want to do is get out your trusty iron. Now a flat iron, a lot of people who've ever seen a flat iron think its only purpose is to make hair pin straight. But it can actually do a lot. It can give you this kind of texture. So what you want to do is you turn on your iron, and you want to get an iron with basically floating plates. What floating plates mean is that the edges of the irons actually, when you bend the hair, they move slightly. So an iron like this has a floating plate, which allow me to grab a section of hair, and I will just literally just pull the hair up, and then pull the hair down.
Oh, back and forth,
back and forth. And then I'll just kind of stamp that flat, and then I just go like that. And then that, and as you start to pick up the sections.
That's how you get the tousled look.
The tousled is what this is, and this is designed to be kind of a messy look.
It's supposed to look like a model who was on a set all day, and then she had a really good night.
And it's just like a real nice natural texture.
And she got up.
Exactly, so that's really what it is.
That was fun.
You don't want to have to be fixated on being perfect. This is the anti-perfect, I don't do my hair, but I've got great hair. Hair.
That's the look I like best.
Yeah, well, you're rocking it today.
Because you don't have that much hair.
So this is a great way to do that.
I love it. Look how great you look.
Yeah, so it's just got like really nice texture. Yeah.
Okay, this is Jill. Hi, Jill. Hi, Rachel. So, hi, Jill. Thanks for letting us play with your hair on national television.
So I'm sure we have a before picture of Jill. So Jill has very fine hair. So let's make sure we can get that before picture up there so everyone can just see. So you see, she struggles with getting a lot of volume in her hair. So now her hair has the volume now. The ends have a lot more body. And I think what a lot of people don't realize is that a little bit of a product and a blow dryer can make a big difference to getting a nice lift into your hair. So I want to get everyone a quick demo at home on how I achieve this volume. So every single person out there has a cold shot on their dryer. And most people are like, why do you even need that? I want to dry my hair. Why is there a cold shot? There is a reason. And typically hairdressers are the only people that know this. So what we're going to do is I'm going to spin you sideways just so we can get a nice profile. So what I did is I typically will grab a section of hair like this, just lift, like, let's say, I like to call it the mohawk. So temple to temple all the way back. Okay. Grab a section like this, and we're going to blast hot air. And I'm just going to put the hot air there. Now I put in a bit of volumizing product backstage. Okay. So once you feel the hair is hot and it's dry, you are going to switch that button to cold. Okay. And you're gonna blast it with cold. Now what the cold is doing is freezing that hair texture so it stays in that shape. So when I let go, I have...
It stays there.
It stays in that shape.
And without teasing it.
No teasing, yeah.
And without breaking the hair.
And I would just do that, and I would just do that one over all the time, and just in this way it's ambidextrous, as I say. You can flip it either way, and you get a nice natural volume.
And it just looks like you've been rolling around in a good way.
Yes.